Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this video, we take you through how to use the Forgot Password feature in the SigniFlow login. Before we start, I would like to recommend you change your password every 3 months or so to keep your account secure. We will demonstrate how to reset your password through your login screen by using Forgot Password. Now, let's get started with resetting your password using the Forgot Password feature. Step 1. Open your SigniFlow login screen. Step 2. Click on the Forgot Password link beneath the password text input box. Step 3. Provide your email address. Follow the on-screen instructions by entering your email address in the text input box. Once done, tap on the Send button. A password recovery email will be sent to the email address you've entered. Step 4. Open the password recovery email. Step 5. Review the email and then once satisfied, tap on the Continue button. Step 6. Reset your password. Enter your new password in the first text input box. Then re-enter it in the Confirm Password text input box. Once done, click on the Submit button. And that is how to use the Forgot Password feature to reset your password through the SigniFlow login. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.